How to open multiple tabs on DuckDuckGo. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open multiple tabs on DuckDuckGo. DuckDuckGo is an American search engine that emphasizes user privacy and does not track personal information or search history. In order to open multiple tabs on DuckDuckGo, first of all, you'll need to open the application on your mobile device, and once you open the application, here you'll be asked to grant permission for notifications. You'll need to simply tap on Allow option in order to grant the permission. Now, once you reach to this page, here you will need to look for the tab icon, usually represented by a square or a box at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to view your current tabs. After that, you can now tap on the plus button in the same tab management area at the top right to open a new tab. This allows you to start a new search without losing your current tab. You can simply continue the same process and tap on the plus icon at the top right in order to open additional tabs as needed. To switch between the tabs, you can simply tap on the tab you want to view in the tab management screen at the top right, and from here you can now select the tab you would like to view. Also, if you want to close a tab, you can tap on this cross button at the top right of them to remove them. So this is how you can manage multiple tabs or open multiple tabs on DuckDuckGo. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.